But I think what's really important at this point, whenever we are, and it's not, I wouldn't say that we're in a crisis, but whenever we're about to really get challenged as a nation, but truly as a world, because it's not just us, it's our economic minded partners, it's our allies, that we have the ability to come together and to collaborate. I think the other piece to the point that we talked about earlier, no one entity, organization, sector, agency can do this on its own. No one country can do this on its own. If we are truly going to invest and innovate for the future in a positive way, we have to do this together. So the true optimist in me says that the challenges of China will hope to engage us on an international stage that everyone's been talking about for a while, but we haven't been able to do. And perhaps the urgency of this issue helps us to come together. I also think that industry has an awareness about the importance of this secure built-in, how we're looking at transparency, visibility in a different way because of the threat, and also because the communication between industry and government has gotten much better. There's always more to do, but I think that at this time we have the tools that are out there to work together to be able to create this resilient infrastructure for the future. But it's going to require commitment, deliberate nature, and an appreciation that we have to look just beyond our geographic boundaries to really look at this on the global stage.